Hello, this is Gary, the Barn Shop, Atlanta, Georgia, with a final episode on installing castors, raising castors for my router station. Yeah, so what I've done is I put on the castors from Rockler that will actually, it's got a push pedal that pushes the table up off the floor a 3/4 inch to roll it around and to set it back off the wheels so it sits on the bench itself and it won't move. And they simply pull up with the foot or hand all the way around. All I had to do was add the 2x6s, readjust the legs a little, cut some of the legs off, and put that on so it's something solid to mount to. So really all I have to do is pull these up like that. A little tough. Do the same thing on the back side. It's a little rough on the table. Yeah, it's a little rough. Now it's on the floor. It will not move. I just push them back out. And it'll roll around where you want to go. Well, that's all I got. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.